Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to win at Skywars. So one of the first strategies you can use is just to wait for everyone else to kill each other. So providing someone doesn't immediately bridge over to your island, you can usually just wait while everyone else goes to the center and tries to grab the juicy loot from the center loot boxes and then ends up killing each other. As you can see, I'm not even going to bother going into fight right now. It's already down to 4 players. Started out with 12 players, we're only at 4 players. So that means we've eliminated 2/3 of the people in the game. Okay, now we've eliminated 3/4 of the players in the game without even killing anyone or attacking anyone or anything. So I'm just going to really keep an eye on where the 2 players are that are left. When it gets down to 2 players being left alive, that's when it gets a bit tricky. So you're going to hope that the strongest one falls into the void and the weakest one is left behind. That's the ideal situation. But as you can see, we've got someone fell into the void. I imagine it's probably the weaker person that fell into the void, or the person who had less gear. As you can see here, we've just increased our chances by a decent amount by uncovering all of the juicy loot in this chest. If you have a golden apple, eat the golden apple, because you will eventually not be able to eat the golden apple because you will be dead. So it pays to just do all of that. Obviously put on the best gear that you can possibly find. Try and get the best armor, or the best armor that you can get your hands on at least. I don't know where on earth the other guy went. He's somewhere around here. Imagine he's hiding out somewhere. I'm just going to run around in circles on the map and hope that he finds me so that I don't have to do any of the work. Also be careful not to spend too long looking in chests. That is going to reduce your chances of getting a win. Just going to go around here and see what we've got here. Also pays to take any decent loot that the other person could use out of the chests and either throw it into the void or put it on, or just keep it in your inventory so that it's not a problem later on. If you have TNT, you may as well just blow it up, because games usually don't last that long and it's satisfying, so you may as well just use up all the stuff you've got there, unless you have the idea of maybe setting up a trap or something. TNT based trap. Looks like the weaker of the 2 members has been the one that's survived, which gives us a slightly better chance at winning over here. I don't know where he's gone. He's somewhere around here. I'm pretty sure I saw him run up here, but I don't know. I saw him back there, but he's gone. He's just vanished. He's just vanished. I don't know where he's gone. If we manage to make it to the last chest refill, then that will mean that we will be able to obtain ender pearls. I see we've got a bow here as well. That's a very another useful tool to have in your inventory. It would also pay to have the best tools of every variety in your hotbar at all times. I don't know where on earth this guy's gone. I see him. He's behind me. And it looks like he's going to try and use lava to kill me, but we were able to knock him into the void, and first try we got a victory. So that is how you win at Skywars. It was one of the ways you can win at Skywars. Obviously there's a lot more techniques. As you can see, we've got 5 souls and a bunch of other stuff, I think, as well. And we only got 1 kill, and we were able to win the game. Obviously, if you're a real hardcore player, you can go ahead and take on many more players in the beginning. With the bulldozer perk, you'll be able to get strength after killing a player, which will increase your chances of being able to get a kill streak. However, I think this is the macho technique that people like to say, oh, I'm going to go in and I'm going to kill all the people. And it's really not necessary. All you have to do is wait until the people whittle themselves down a bit further. There's really no actual point in strategically winning by killing everyone when they're already all trying to kill each other in the first place. Anyway, thanks for watching the tutorial. That's how you win at Skywars, and have a nice day. Goodbye.